I'm about to show you how any dropshipping product can be a winner. It doesn't matter how saturated you think it is, how many people are currently selling it, or how many years it's been floating around the dropshipping space. This simple strategy will allow you to have success with almost every product you sell. It just boils down to two basic things we'll be covering in just a moment. And if you're more of a visual learner like I am, we'll be going over a really good example. So remember to drop a like and subscribe for more content just like this. My name's Alex if you're new. We have a lot to go over, so let's get right into it. Now, the reason so many dropshipping products fail is because people simply copy and paste from their competitors. Everything from their product and website to their ads. And while it's a great way to find winning products and do product research, it's not a good way of selling them. Because you always want to come up with your own unique twist in ways that you can sell your product better than the competition. A great way of doing this is adjusting your angle and your offer. Your angle is simply the way you market your product to your potential customers, and your offer is the offer that you place in front of them. Your angle can be targeting pet owners, and your offer can be 50% off, buy one get one free, free shipping, 70% off, anything similar. But you always need to have a really good angle and an even better no-brainer offer. So for example, we can think of a broad, very saturated product like the posture corrector we used to always see. Most people are just marketing it very broadly to anybody with back problems. But you guys can actually adjust your angle and target specific pockets of that audience. You guys can target people that experience back pain, anybody from truck drivers, office workers, people that work with kids, people that work with pets, anything you can think of. There are so many different pockets of that audience that you guys can sell to. It's pretty much just carving out your own niche. So basically, you guys can sell the same product to multiple groups of people. And the more creative you are, the more success you'll have. So with any new product you sell, you always want to pay attention to your angle, who you're showing your product to, as well as your offer, the actual offer you're presenting. These are the two most important parts. Now I want to show you guys exactly what I mean. We'll be using this winning product as an example. There's currently a ton of stores successfully selling this right now. It's the heated massage device for cramps. And I'm going to show you guys how this top brand right here is targeting 3 different audiences. This is no misc. They're currently the top store selling this product. And you guys can see in this TikTok right here that has over 2 million views, they're currently targeting women. But if we move over to this TikTok right here, they're targeting men with significant others to get this gift for their significant other. And one more TikTok from the same brand, they are currently doing the same thing again, targeting boyfriends. So that's already 2 different types of audiences for the same exact product. You guys are targeting women that could get relief from this product, as well as boyfriends that could buy it as a gift. But they're also targeting a third segment that we're gonna be going over in just a moment. All right, so moving over to their Facebook page, they're obviously a niche store in the personal care niche. You guys can see all their different products right here. They created this page September of 2021 and they have almost 4,000 likes. But what we're interested in right now is looking at all of the current ads that they're running. So if you guys go on their Facebook page, go on this page transparency tab right here, click see all. You guys can actually go to their ads library and look at all of the current ads that they're running. So let's do that. All right, by looking at their ads library, you can already see the third audience that they're targeting, and that's new moms. So this product typically goes in front of you on your stomach to relieve pain there. But what they're doing now is they're actually turning it around, putting it on your back and targeting new moms like this. So you guys can see all of their different ads right here. This one was published a few days ago on November 2nd. It's currently active. They're still running it. You guys can see all of these ads right here that were published the last week of October, and they're all active. They're all currently being ran right now. So all of these ads up here at the top are being targeted towards new moms and pregnant women. And all of these ads down here are targeting women that get cramps. So they're doing a great job on Facebook ads, targeting 2 different types of audiences. I don't see the boyfriend targeting on here. They might have tried that. It might not have worked for them. But this is definitely a great way of selling this product. All right, so we're here on their homepage and we're gonna look at their different angles in real time. So right here, they have their catchphrase, "We help women heal." I really like that. That's their mission statement. And then right under that, they have their Find Your Solution tab. So this is where you actually find their products. So you can click on back pain and you guys can see the exact same product we were looking at. They're actually selling it for $99. This product is under $10 in AliExpress. So they're definitely doing a great job selling it. But anyways, you guys can see it's the exact same product on here, but for back pain. So they target new moms, they talk about how it works, they have all of their copy targeted towards new moms. So let's go back to their homepage and we'll go right back to that section. Now we're gonna click on periods. It's going to have the exact same product photos, except down here, it's on the front of women instead of on their back. And they have slightly different copy targeting a different segment of customers. They did a great job of selling this product to 2 different customer segments when it's the exact same product. You guys can see exactly what they did on here. It's really that simple, guys. You can revive almost any saturated product out there just by changing your angle and your offer. Try this out with one of your failed products from the past and let me know how it works. If you found any value in this video, remember to drop a like, share with others, and subscribe for more. I also have a free course down below to help you guys get started with dropshipping. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.